Are those the heads of sheep?
People, Iran is America and brother.
We're brothers.
No government.
Chickadee China.
Chickadee China.
The Chinese chicken.
China chicken.
In my last video, I showed you the greenest part of Iran. Rasht is the capital of this incredibly fertile area and is not far from the Caspian Sea. So of course there's great seafood in the bazaar. We begin our day in Municipality Square and then end it on the sea in the wetlands of Anzali, where we found pigs in the water. You're not going to want to miss this, so stick around until the end of the video.
I think that's a real guy. You think that's a statue?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Statue. So we are now deep in the Rasht Bazaar, which is known for being a little, shall we say, fishy.
USR. Iran, USR, brothers. Merci. High five. What type of fish are you selling?
Duty fish.
Duty fish means smoked fish?
Yeah.
Smoked fish.
Duty.
This is the duty fish.
He says he likes Americans a lot. I like Iran a lot, but why is the fish in plastic?
Some of the fish is not in plastic.
Because they're doo-doo fish, they need to be disinfected. That makes sense.
This is Fardad.
Fardad, Philip.
Philip.
وجود منی تو معتمد ازلی تو ناصر ازلی تو معتمد ازلی کلی ازلی بودا بابا جان بودا بابا جان بیا بابا جان عشق ولی تو ناز ولی تو ناز ولی تو ازلی تو ازلی تو بودا بابا جان
What the heck is this? Caviar?
Caviar.
Yeah, it's caviar.
Okay.
Caviar.
Caviar.
Wow.
Nerede inceyi bak.
So it appears that there's more than just fish here. Are those the heads of sheep? So this guy here is literally burning off the hair from the sheep. Hello, I'd shake your hand, but you're a little sheepy right now. Merci. Yeah. Bye-bye. That's horrible.
Welcome to Iran. Welcome to Iran.
Thank you. Merci.
Yes. People, Iran is America and brother.
We're brothers.
No government.
Yeah,
People.
just the people. I'm with you. Oh, look at this guy. Look at this chicken. He looks like he has a hat on. You're beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Can you tell me how much this chicken costs?
$5.
$5?
Yeah.
Is that the most expensive of all these chickens?
Yeah.
Because he's wearing a hat?
Yeah.
For the extra feathers,
Yeah.
you pay an extra $1. I'll take 2.
Okay.
One of the nice things about this bazaar, as opposed to other ones I've seen in Iran, is that it's completely outdoors, which is surprising in Rasht, considering it's called the City of Rain, and that's why it's so green around here. I'll bet the fruit and vegetables are amazing, considering the amount of rain you get in this town. Look at the size of these. There's got to be a yellow one in here. Oh! Oh, there. Oh, get it! We've got a rogue chicken. Cover. Oh, chicken.
Chickadee China.
Chickadee China.
The Chinese chicken.
China chicken.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.
Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.
China chicken.
Which is your favorite chicken?
Leaving the craziness of the fish and the fruit and the vegetables behind, you now have these giant, they look like they're for restaurants, giant pans for cooking. We're now in the calm clothes section. Salam, how are you? Hello.
Welcome to Rasht.
Welcome to Rasht. Merci. They even sell baby tuxedos here. Leaving the bazaar through the gold and jewelry section, I just had to make one more stop to see the chicks again. This guy's trying to get over, look at him. Ah! One more thing. On my channel, I show the good people of countries the media tells us are bad. And with your support, I will continue to places like Syria and hopefully Palestine. So please subscribe to help me spread positivity. We're here in Bandar Azali on the Caspian Sea coast. Did you know that Iran has a huge wetland system? I didn't, but I'm about to find out. Let's go.
Welcome to Iran, sir.
Where are the crocodiles? No crocodiles?
No.
Does he ever go fishing for piranha?
Yeah.
Do you like to eat piranha?
Yeah, it's tasty, he says.
How does he cook it?
Fry it in oil.
Looks like some pigs over here. I'm positive you didn't expect to see, I didn't expect to see wetlands in Iran, but for certain didn't expect to see pigs. Oh hey, come on over. I've got strawberries for you. What do you think? Is it good? You like it? How many million birds that come here?
Well, is it quite a few?
A few million birds every winter come here from Russia because it's too cold in Russia, even for a bird. Now you know Iran's green side, but have you heard of the Lut Desert? How about the stone houses of Kandavan? Please subscribe to see these and other incredible places like Shiraz, Persepolis, Isfahan, and Ardebil, not to mention the glorious Persian food. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Chickadee China, the Chinese chicken.